Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and even though I'm not currently in summer, where I'm at it's rainy, it's gloomy, and it's not particularly hot. I know a lot of you guys are in your summer season right now, like a lot of my viewers are. So today I wanted to liven things up, brighten everything, and fake that I am in hot weather and create a easy, simple, sun-kissed summer look for you guys. I want it to be bronzy, I want it to be like bright and easy, just something that you can quickly do all the time. Bronzer is the summer staple, so I want to pile on the bronzer and I want to fake my summer look. If you're in summer and you have sun-kissed skin already, you're lucky, but if you don't, or you simply just don't want the sun damage, but you still want to look super bronzy, this is the look for you. It's summery, it's bright, it's everything you could ask for and more. Okay, let's get to the look. So first things first, we're gonna focus on the base. We want it to be super light because if it's summer, it's hot outside, you're sweating, so you want your makeup to last, and to be able to do that, you wanna wear as little makeup as possible so that you don't like sweat it off your skin. Nobody wants something super heavy when it's really hot outside. So I'm first gonna start with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This is hydrating, but it also helps your makeup last. Like it's kind of like glue for your makeup. So I'm just gonna apply this. And it's so nice as well. It's very refreshing. A primer, especially if you have more oily skin or you find that you know, your makeup moves around a lot, especially during summer, is a must. You can choose the primer that you want. If you have oilier skin, you can choose something that's mattifying, or if you're drier, you can choose something that's more hydrating, that's gonna help your makeup stick and look like more radiant. You know, you can do it all. But the point is, if you want to wear makeup during the summer, I do recommend wearing a primer. Now, my aim for this makeup look is just to look as glowy and bronzy as possible. And we're gonna achieve that with a few key products. But for now, before I actually go in with my base, I'm gonna do some prep work with a liquid bronzer because I'm gonna be layering. Again, if you're gonna be wearing makeup during the summer and it's hot out and stuff, I definitely recommend layering as well if you want it to last, or just using something that, again, is very lightweight. I wouldn't go for a lot of creams, depending again on your skin type, but for me, I know that in this summer I'm oilier. I sweat a lot. I sweat so much. So I usually go for things like this iconic London bronzer, sheer bronzer. This is in the shade Caramel Glow because this is more of a liquid. It's gonna set on my skin. It's not gonna move around. So this is gonna be like my first bronzer. I'm gonna do this before my foundation because I like to keep things natural, you guys know. And I'm just applying this everywhere that I bronze. And you can be a little less precise with this. It's not a contour, so you can take up a little bit more space. And this is a very sheer product, so it's not going to be super intense. You can go for something that's a little more intense, obviously, but I wanted just like a sheer base of color, because I'm gonna add more intensity later. So I just wanted to add like the initial bronziness, if you will. Once that's done, because I also want to be a little glowy, I'm using the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. I just got a new one. This is in the shade Medium, and I'm just gonna add this to like my cheekbones. And I'm gonna add more later, but again, just like as an initial glow. For my base, I'm gonna do a light layer of the Tower 28 Sunny Days Broad Spectrum SPF 30 tinted sunscreen. I like this because it is a very lightweight. It is a little bit more on the, I wouldn't say oily, but it is more dewy. So if you have dry skin, I think this could work for you. If you have oilier skin, maybe stay away from this. I have more normal skin, and I find that this works really well. It gives me the look that I want. I've used this like at the beach, and you know, I've had zero problem. This is also, you know, extra SPF. I definitely apply SPF before doing all my makeup every single day, especially when it's hot out and I know I'm gonna be outside. But this is, you know, some extra protection, cannot hurt, even though I'm not gonna add nearly enough to actually protect my skin. It's just an extra layer of sunscreen. And I'm going in very lightly, like very lightweight. I don't want to add a lot of this product. Just enough to even out my skin. Once that's done, I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Bisque. You definitely don't need to add concealer. Like, if you don't have any problems with your under eyes or you don't feel like you need all that coverage, then you definitely, oh my god, there's a spider in my camera. There's a fucking spider in my camera. Like, fucking go, man. No, don't leave. It's hanging. It's hanging. Okay. It's on the floor now. Go away. As I was saying, if you don't feel like you need the extra coverage, then you can definitely skip concealer. I have really bad under eyes all the time, so I really do need to conceal a little bit. But again, I'm just gonna add the tiniest bit of concealer. I'm not gonna go overboard. And the darkness will surely peek through, but I don't care. Okay, once that's done, I'm gonna powder. Definitely recommend powdering when it's hot out, when it's summer. I recommend something lightweight, but something that will set your makeup because you're gonna need all the help you can get. I'm using my Kosas Cloud Set Powder in the shade Breezy. This is just very easy for me, and I'm gonna be adding it everywhere. It doesn't add any more coverage or any cakiness, and it doesn't take away your glow, your natural glow, but it just sets the makeup and makes sure that it lasts longer. Once that's done, I'm gonna go back into the cheeks and add more bronzer. I'm using my Lila B Sunkissed Bronze Beauty. I've had this bronzer for the longest of time. It was super popular back in the day here on YouTube. This is like a stone. It's so heavy. I haven't really used it all that much. I'm gonna go ahead and use it right now because this is basically summer in a bronzer. Like, it's a sun-kissed bronzer. It has some shimmer on it. So we're gonna give it a go. And I'm just gonna be applying this everywhere. I'm hitting my eyes as well, very unprecisely, with this brush. I'm not going to be adding any of this to my jawline because, again, this has shimmer and stuff, so I just want to keep it, like, up here, mostly. But yeah, I think that's a pretty good amount of bronzer, right? Like, I usually don't wear this much. And just for good measure, I'm gonna add a little bit more to the eyes with a fluffy brush, just to make sure that it's all blended out. Could I have gone in with an eye primer? Sure, but live, laugh, love, am I right? And that is basically it for the face. I'm not doing any blush. I don't think I'll add more highlighter. I think I have enough. And when it's hot out and the day progresses, the glow intensifies. So I don't think I'm gonna add more glow. I really did add the bronzer like all the way to the cheeks because I knew I wasn't gonna go in for any blush. You could totally go for blush as well, something more like terracotta-y or, you know, something that's a little more bronzy. I think it would just intensify that sun-kissed look and it would make it 10 times better. So yeah, that's the skin done. Let's move on to the rest of the face quickly because the focus is on the skin. The rest is just, you know, for show. Okay, I'm quickly just gonna do my brows. I wanna keep them super fluffy and natural. I'm just gonna go in with my Refi Brow Sculpt. Nothing too special. This product does leave like a little white residue on my brows. I like to ignore it. You should ignore it too because I like the way it pushes up my brows and makes them look fluffy, okay? So we're gonna ignore the fact that my brows look a little whitish. It's fine. But now I'm just gonna do mascara very quickly. I don't wanna go super ham with the mascara. I just wanna open up my eyes a little bit. I'm using the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'm just gonna add a light coat of this to my lashes. I only did upper lashes. I want to leave the, you know, bottom lashes bare. I think it looks cool. It looks clean. So now I'm just going to move on to the lips. For the lips, you can literally do anything with this look. You could do just a beautiful, like, shimmery gloss. I think that would be so amazing for summer. You can do a nude. I'm going to go for a right lip today. I'm going to go for red. But first, I'm just going to line with my NYX lip pencil in Nude Beige because this is just like a color that works with everything. So I'm just going to line. And then for lipstick, I'm gonna go with red. I'm using the Gucci Goldie Red. This is like their signature red. It's more raspberry and it's a little lighter. It's not super intense blue toned red. So I think it's perfect for summer. I really like this color. So let me just struggle while applying this for half an hour because I always struggle with bright and bold lipsticks. And I'm using like a little pencil brush to just blur it out. Okay, and 85 hours later, the lipstick is on. I'm obsessed. I love like a bright lip, just like a red lip and bronzer. This is summer in a look, honestly. Let me just set with my all-nighter setting spray, Urban Decay, and then we'll be done. I'll pull you close up and we'll see everything that's going on. Okay, here we are, final look close up. As you can see, it's literally all about the bronzer. This is such a simple look, but the bronzer is what pulls everything together. The eyes looking the same as the face, like just everything monochrome, kind of makes this look, I think. And it's super easy as well. The bright lip definitely finishes everything off, and I'm just really obsessed with this look. I think it screams summer, it's super easy, and it suits everyone, right? You can really customize it, make it your own. This is it, you guys. What do you think? And that, my friends, concludes today's video. I am so happy. I feel ready for summer, even though it's freaking raining outside. I'm like, yes, let's go to the beach each. Let's go get away. What? I don't know. If you guys enjoyed today's video, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. If you have any other requests for videos or for things you want me to try, review, talk about, please leave them down below. I want to know what you guys want to see from me. If you're into super easy and real makeup and beauty content like today's video, then please make sure to subscribe, buttons down below. I upload videos every single week and I would love it if I could have you back. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something new. I hope we recreate this look for summer, honestly. If you do, let me know. But yeah, I hope you had fun and I hope to see you right here for my next one. I love you. Bye. Mwah.